Welcome to the Courtyard Sandestin at Grand Boulevard in Sandestin, Florida. This is a great location if you're coming to Grand Boulevard or Silver Sands Factory Outlets to do some shopping. This Marriott hotel is really spacious, clean, and looks like it was recently refurbished. Breakfast here is not complimentary. If you want that, you'll have to stay at the Residence Inn next door. The elevators are a little odd. There's one at each end of the building, but we didn't have any issues getting an elevator. This bathroom was pretty nice. Even though it has a shower curtain and not a glass door, what it did have was an exhaust fan. And those are so hard to find in hotels now. I'll take that over a glass shower door any day. This room was huge. It was 406 square feet. The last Marriott we stayed in was 300 square feet, so there was a lot of space, a lot of room for activities. That evening, we had dinner at Fleming's Steakhouse in Grand Boulevard. It was delicious. This is the wedge salad and our dessert. I highly recommend it and staying at the Courtyard if you're in the area.